Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G processor. Now this is a Ryzen 2nd generation processor with Radeon graphics, which is also evidenced by the fact that the processor has a G at the end of its model name. And the fact that this is a Ryzen 5 tells you that it's an entry to mid-range processor. The range is quite wide. This particular one is sort of entry to mid-range. On the top of the box, you can find a little sticker which gives you the model name, that is AMD Ryzen 5 3400G with Vega 11 graphics. The lower end processors tend to have Vega 8 graphics. This thing has 4 cores and 8 threads, and its base clock is 3.7 GHz and a boost clock of 4.2 GHz is obtained when needed. On the sides, you have a little window through which you can see the processor. This is very handy when you're procuring this from a local store and you want to make sure that you're getting what you're paying for. You can see it reads AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. On the back, you have some of the features mentioned along with which architecture it uses, which happens to be Zen 4, and the socket as well, which is AM4. On this end, you don't see anything aside from a little photo of the cooler that comes within the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this particular processor. When we open, we see a little booklet up front. This has the installation instructions. We'll get to that later. Then you have an important note. This is regarding the BIOS updates that you might require in order to make this processor work with certain motherboards. Always do read the leaflets that come within the box. Then you have a little plastic packaging. Once we take that out, we have the processor itself. And the cooling fan. There's an additional plastic packaging material which does absolutely nothing. We'll move this to the side. Here we have the fan. The fan that comes with 3400G has no element of RGB. The lettering mentioned over here is just painted on, there is no light. It's a pretty thick aluminum heatsink and is mounted by 4 spring-loaded screws, and it comes with a 4-pin connector at the end. Then we come to the processor itself. You can see the lettering on top of it. It's the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. It also comes with a little sticker. Always be careful while handling processors. There are little recesses on the side for your fingers to go in, and then you can pick up the processor carefully. Now always be careful about the pins at the bottom. Try not to touch them ever. That's it for this particular unboxing of the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G processor. This is a 2nd gen AMD Ryzen processor with Radeon 11 graphics. Thank you for watching.